talking about some game development engines. These are basically the architect which the developers use to develop various different games. The basic use of these game development engines is to make game development easy. We can use predefined things which are available on the game development engines by basically dragging or dropping them, or we can code them or design ourselves using the different things which are available there in the game development engines, which make development much more easy. If a beginner is getting started with game development, then it is recommended for him or her to start using game development engines, because there are many things which are pre-built in that, and we can say it is beginner friendly, which will help beginner to learn or grab the things much more faster. Some examples of game development engines and these examples are on the basis of beginner to advanced capability. The first one is Construct 2, second one is Game Maker Studio, then we have consecutively Unity, Godot, Unreal Engine, and Amazon Lumberyard. The last four are for the advanced who love to code or who love to design their things themselves. The second one, which is Game Maker Studio, is for the intermediate level people, and Construct 2 is for the people who have just started with game development.